Time check, 1:23.
Again, calling the attention of our 42-kilometer runners. You may now claim your race kits now. Or the premium bracelet, tiny chip.
Getting ready for 12K.
Save repairs and race routes. Hindi ako yung mag-discuss. Kasi runner din ako. So we will be calling Sir Densha of Race Meister to present our race route. Yes, ikaw. The only one.
Okay, so as you can see, may elevation naman tayo dito. So, this is the Mount Oro. This is the mountain that we will be scaling. So that will be at kilometer 5. So we have kilometer 5 here. So after that, the aid station is gonna be at kilometer 8. So make sure you fill your flash caps and may food there. You have chocolate with you, no? Because sa Mascap community po ang ating aid station. It's gonna be at kilometer 8. After that,
Stop over muna. Ayan, dyan ako nang galing. Okay. Paano ito naman sa mataas? Look. Go. Lusong naman pababa ang next. Good luck. Nasa peak na kami. Salamat sa dalawang kasama ko na sweeper. Nasa peak na. Descent na kami. Okay. Final push.
Hindi, doon natapos na. Wala ka.
Hindi ko...
Aid station. Final 3 kilometers.
Hanin pa lang.
May napunta rito.
Yan.
Yung
Ah,
21
kasama ko
na
sa
tinatanong niya ako
aid
kung
station.
pwede. Sabi ko, pwede naman.
3 kilometers to go, 1 hour.
Ngayon, kung gusto mo
Kayang
matapos,
i-push.
balikan
Let's go.
mo.
Let's go! Thank you. Woo!
Nice
Salamat, sir.
Yung sleeper ng 12 lang kaya.
Salamat, sir.
Oh, yun, dalawa. Sige pa rin. Video ba yan?
Yeah, finisher.
First podium.
Podium, congrats.
Ayan na.
Nice. Alright, thanks.